Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. And today I want to say a big welcome to all of my new subscribers. I look forward to chatting with you guys down in the comments below. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a long-awaited video. I think I've been promising this video for like a year. And I finally have my closet organized enough to the point where I can actually share it with you guys and show you how I organize it on a daily basis. So in here, I have all of my JuJuBe, all of my Lily Jade, all of my kerikit, and all that stuff. All the bags are in this closet. And today I'm going to show you guys how I organize it and all of the pieces that I've kept, the pieces that aren't there anymore, and the pieces that have been added in. So if you guys want to see what I used to have in my collection, I will link that video right here for you guys. I think I shared that 2 or 3 years ago. So there is a lot of different stuff inside this closet now than there was back then. So let's go ahead and get started. So welcome to my bag closet. I'm gonna go ahead and start showing you guys all the things that are on this wall, and then I have like a big rack over here, as you guys saw in the first part, and then I have some more stuff over here. I also kind of share this closet with my husband. He plays the guitar, so there's some guitar related stuff in one of the corners in here. But let's go ahead and get started with my favorite wall. Now you guys will have to forgive me because I may or may not remember every single name of each print. There are a lot of prints and there have been so many prints over the years with JuJuBe especially. And it's hard to remember them all, so I'm gonna try my best. Up here on these 3 bags here are my like top favorite bags, prints and things like that that have come out from JuJuBe. So right here I have the Dr. BFF in Warm Sand, which is one of my favorite tones they have ever made. I love this bag. In fact, I do think I have a review for that one on my channel. I probably have reviews for most of these bags on my channel. And I don't know if I'm going to link all of them, but I might down in the description below if I have time. Also right here, I'm pretty sure this one is called Whimsical Watercolor. I just loved the colors of it. I'm very much into pastels, as a lot of you guys know. And then right here, this is a Tula JuJuBe collaboration print, Rosy Posy. And these 2 are BFFs, which is one of my favorite bag designs by JuJuBe. Let's go ahead and move down to this row down here. Starting with this bag over here, this is my very first bag that I received as a JuJuBe content creator. And this is the Perky Toki Be Right Back, one of my all-time favorite bags. I've taken it on loads of vacations. I also have another Be Right Back here in Summer Stripe, which is another one of my favorites. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with aqua. So whenever JuJuBe has aqua bags come out, I try to grab all of them because I just love them so much. So right next to that, this is another one of my favorites. I'm a huge fan of the JuJuBe embossed collection. I love the fabric and the feel of it. It's just, it feels like another higher quality. So I really love that. This is one of my favorite bags. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one out. It has like a mermaid scale look to it. Oh, I love this one. And this is the Be Zealous, and I don't know why, but I just cannot remember the name of this print right now. But it is one of my favorites, so I'll probably put it right here somewhere of what that is. I also have the brand new Where the Wild Things Are Be Zealous. I try to keep like 2 of each bag, so 2 Be Right Backs, 2 Be Zealous, 2 Be Packs, and I try not to go past that because this rack only goes so long, and when it starts to pile up, I start to destash. So next to the Where the Wild Things Are bag is, I have my Queen's Court Be Packed and my Toki Round the World. And I've worn this bag a lot as well. I really like this one especially for traveling. Let's move a little bit further down this way. So I have a Disney midi, I have my Summer Stripe midi backpack, and then I have the Sweet Petal Hello Kitty JuJuBe collaboration right here. These are some of my favorite bags. This is the Million Pockets diaper bag by JuJuBe. I loved these 2 colors, had to have this bag in both colors because I'm a huge fan of like browns when it comes to faux leather and leather. I just love brown tones. So I thought these are the most realistic looking ones. So I went ahead and got one of each of those and I love them. Behind that I have my Lily Jade medium Anna bag, and I have this in a larger style in a different color as well on my rack over here. This is one of my favorite bags. I have had this in another color, that's why this still has all the pieces on it, and I'm waiting for the perfect opportunity to take it out, but you will notice some of my bags are still in the packaging because sometimes I just like to collect. And the best things are always kept in packaging still. So my medium Anna is still in half packaging, and then I have my Limea bag here, and I love this bag. This is the Sophie, and I love the color of this bag, and it packs up so great as well. And then another bag right here, which you guys may or may not be able to see too well. This is my Be Prepared. I think this print is called Newport. Oh, I think I'm doing pretty well so far on the print names. It's hard though. It's really hard to remember all of them. Also up here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I have up there real quick. Up at the top here, I have my Dr. BFF in the black chromatics. And this I decided to hang up here because I also have my Be Moved and Be Switched up here, and I really hope JuJuBe brings these back because they help organize your Be Light and your Super Be so well. I really hope they come out with more because that was such an awesome addition. Let's go ahead and move down a little further down here. I don't think you're going to be able to see my face for this part of the video, but I am going to try my best with my hands. So over here I have all of my fuel cells and all of my Be Cools. So fuel cells and Be Cools are insulated lunch boxes and bags by JuJuBe, and I have them in all pastels, as you can see. I have a few Toki. I have 3 Toki fuel cells. I also have a Be Dapper tucked in the side there. And then I have the lavender, or actually the lilac, and then my whimsical watercolor. I love all the pastels, as you guys can clearly see. So that is where I keep all of those. Next to that, I have a few Be sets that I was not able to fit down in here. This entire bin is full of Be sets. And those are my most used bags by JuJuBe, because even if you are past the baby stage like I am, you can still use Be sets in your purses and things like that, which I love because that way I still have JuJuBe with me and it really brightens up your bag and it just organizes everything so well. So I love that. I actually have some of these from the Ever collection, even new with tags still. I do have a bag that matches this up in the top of my closet, and I will show you guys that. I think it's inside of a dust bag right now. But next time I use it, I'm going to probably pack it with this. So when I organize these up here, I kind of do wide at the bottom, narrow at the bottom. Like every other one, it just fits everything a lot better. So I have I think this one's called Lumiere or something like that. It's like a champagne one. Those are from the Ever collection. They do not sell those anymore. In fact, most of this stuff in my closet, they probably don't sell anymore because I really like to collect the rare things. I also have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 more Be sets up here. I have another JuJuBe bag. This is like one of their crossbody bags in their eco-friendly material right here. And then I have some more Be Cools right here, a couple of Toki ones, Legacy and Blush Chromatics, and then I have some more over here. These are the Day to Night crossbody bags. I have the brown and the vanilla color. I also have the biscotti all set here, as well as the champagne gold one next to that. And then I will move down here in a little bit so you guys can see all that. But I do want to move on to this stuff, and now you can see me. Let's pull this down just a hair. I'm not going to go through these 2 bins too heavily because there's just literally so much and it's not organized. It's kind of my 2 catch-all drawers. So I have custom pieces, I have wallets, lots of wallets, pieces that I've found from other places that I love, this custom Y pouch case that one of my friends made that I love, all of my extra straps and things for all the Be sets. A lot of times I will tuck the straps inside of the Be sets, but sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just toss them in there. And then, yeah, I have coin purses. This is a Kaiju City one, probably hard to find and rare now with King Kong on it there. But yeah, this is like my catch-all section, straps and things like that. This is kind of what I was talking about earlier. I have all my Be sets in here. Oh my goodness, this is heavy. And as you can see, I have them organized kind of weaving back and forth. It's just the best way to organize these sets. That way you can maximize space. I am not even gonna try to go over all these prints, you guys. There's just too many. But you do see a color theme, right? Aqua, pink, purple. I do love black. And then I love florals as well. So you can see all of my favorites in here. But oh my goodness, that's heavy. And when I run out of space in this drawer, I start destashing B sets. But I really do not like to give them up because that's probably my biggest collection. Down here, this is a bin that has all of my dust bags. So when I'm not using my dust bags, occasionally I do, but most of the time I just throw them in here so that if I do decide to sell a bag at some point, I have this so that I can add to the listing. I also have some more bag organizers down in here, but that's basically all this drawer has in it. In this drawer, I have a whole bunch of these starlets and superstars, and they're all -1. All of them are Toki. I have Perky Toki, Queen's Court, Bubble Trouble, Anna Malini, Sakura at Dusk, or Sakura at Dawn. I can never remember. But that time I remembered kind of what that one was called. I also have Toki Pops and Kaiju City down in there, and then I have Super Toki. So, I mean, these are pretty good sized bins, but it just holds so much. I love that. So let's go ahead and move down a little bit further. So now we're here. This is kind of where we stopped earlier. So I have a Limea brand trifecta, which I love. I have another trifecta in this dust bag here, and it is like this deep pink. It is so pretty. Some more all sets by JuJuBe. I love these. These are great for organizing with, and they're pretty. I love them. So I've got that. Also got a random piece of JuJuBe that needs to go somewhere. And all of these here are my Lily Jade packing cases, and these are fabulous. And I will try to leave links for Lily Jade and JuJuBe stuff down in the description below for you guys, so if you want to shop through me, that would be awesome. Packing cases comes with 3 pieces, and they have a clear front, which is great if you are doing diapers and wipes and things like that, and you want to see what's inside or what you have left. So this is awesome. I love that. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 currently, 4 of those. And let's move down to here. So in these bins, I have Be Quicks. All of these are Be Quicks. Usually, like as you can see, this entire bin is Toki, whereas this bin has some Toki and some normal prints. I've kind of stopped ordering and purchasing Be Quicks because I am past the diapering stage, but I do like to take them out sometimes when I'm feeling a little extra animated. So I will take these out as my bag sometimes when I'm out and about, but I have a whole bunch, lots of different prints, especially Toki, but normally if there is a new Toki print, I will try to grab one because I am a Toki collector. Down here I have some mini bees. I have some of my favorites over the years. So I have Donatella's Sweet Shop, one of my all-time favorite prints ever. And then I also have a new package Whimsical Watercolor. I hope I'm getting that one right because I keep saying it, but I don't know for sure. I also have this one, which I think is Team Toki or Super Toki. I think the other one was Team Toki. It is so hard to keep these straight. And then I have this one, which I just loved the colors on, and I think it's something Kaleidoscope. You guys will have to write all these in the comments below for me because I can't remember half of what I have here. All right, let's move on to these bins down here. In this bin, I have all Super Bees and Bee Lights. Zooming in for you guys a little bit so you can see. There's just literally so many prints. JuJuBe has especially ramped it up this past year, I feel like, so it's hard to remember everything, but lots of Bee Lights. I think these 3 are Bee Lights, and everything else is Super Bees. And I use Super Bees for so much. And this bin is starting to get a little full. As you can see, when it starts bowing out like that, that means I have too much in there. Let's see, what is in this one here? In this bin, I have straps, I have iPad cases, mini fuel cells, wet bags, extra change pads. Like, it's another catch-all drawer, but a little bit more organized. I also have some Passy Pods down in there. My Kanga Care wet bags. These are a must-have when you are traveling. I love them. But yeah, this is just basically another catch-all drawer. So let's go ahead and move on to the wall that's this away. Okay, I'm not going to get in the way this time because my face would completely cover up all this. So I have my 24/7 JuJuBe tote here. Right here I have a Lily Jade Large Anna. I have used this thing. It is amazing. I love it. I also have the Brittany, one of my favorite bags. I have a Caroline in the snake print, a Madeline, and another Madeline. And behind that one that you cannot see, I actually have 2 more bags. So I'm gonna go over there now and show you guys those since they're kind of hidden back here. Love this one for travel. So this one's hanging back there. And then I have my Shaylee back here as well. And this is in their denim blue color, which works really great with jeans. So that's what I have on this wall here. Let's move on. So I have this large rack, as you can see. At the very top here, I have a JuJuBe bag that they no longer make that does match the Ever collection like I showed you before. So I'm not even going to go through that one because it's not even available anymore. Over here, I have my Pond Los Angeles bag that I've done a review on. I really like it, so I've hung on to it. Over here, I have my pastel section of aqua bags. I have my Dr. BFF by JuJuBe. And then I have a BFF next to it over here. I'm so sorry for the lighting. It is pretty dark in that corner over there. But right here I have my 2 kerikit bags. I love kerikit bags. They are amazing. I love the quality. They're just gorgeous and they're super functional. This is probably one of my top favorite bags in my whole closet, this one. And I do have a review for it. And then I have my other kerikit bag over here next to it, which is also fabulous. Right here I have a couple more BFFs paired with a mini BFF, and this is the Tokyo Retreat. Super cute, perfect print placement with Donatella there. I try to keep all of my perfect print placement pieces. So 2 Chromatics BFFs. I love those 2 colors. Let's move on to the bottom row. So here's what we have going on the bottom row. I have my Donatella Sweet Shop BFF, my Fantasy Paradise fanny pack, which I love. I take this on walks and hikes all the time. I also have a few mini helixes here. There's actually 3. And then I have another mini BFF and 2 besties back here. This rack just holds all kinds of different things, but I think it's fairly well organized. Down on the very, very bottom here, I have 2 bags that are Lily Jade, and these are still new in packaging. I haven't even had a chance to open them and get to them yet, but I do hope to have reviews up for those soon. Next to it on the other side there, I have a JuJuBe Be Zealous and another Be Packed. And that's all that I have in my closet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. I will definitely be having more reviews throughout the year for new bags and styles and things like that. And I'm definitely going to be doing more how-tos on my channel as well as decor videos and things like that, so stay tuned. I'd love to know down in the comments below what was your favorite bag in my entire closet and what your favorite JuJuBe print and bag are personally. Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching!